Here we'll see how to solve a logarithmic equation. Let's look at our helpful hint. Use the properties of logarithms to rewrite the equation such that one logarithmic term appears on each side of the equation. Here we have a logarithmic equation, and as the hint suggested, we want to try and rewrite the equation so we have just one logarithmic expression on each side. On the right-hand side, we do have just one log. On the left side, we've got the log of x plus 3 base 8 minus the log of 2x base 8. Because both logs have the same base, we can use the property to write it as one log as long as we divide x plus 3 by 2x. So I'm going to rewrite this left-hand side as the log of x plus 3 divided by 2x base 8, and this will equal the log of 4 base 8. Now we're going to use this property that says the log of x base b, if that equals the log of y base b, then x and y better be equal. Notice here we have the log of this expression base 8 equals the log of 4 base 8. Because we have the same base, we can set x plus 3 over 2x equal to 4. And now we have an equation with a fraction, so we can multiply both sides by the denominator 2x. Over here, the 2x divides out, leaving us with x plus 3 equals 8x. Now I'm going to subtract x from both sides, and we end up with 3 equals 7x, and divide by 7 to find that x is 3 over 7. Now we'll check that solution. We got our solution, x equals 3/7. Let's see if that works in our original equation. I'm going to substitute 3/7 in for x, and we'll simplify it and see if we get a true statement. So putting in 3/7 for the two x's in my original equation, I have the log of 3/7 plus 3 base 8 minus the log of 2 times 3/7 base 8. Will that equal the log of 4 base 8? So let's simplify what we have here. Here we need to add 3/7 plus 3. Well, 3 is 21/7. So if we take 3/7 plus 21/7, we get 24/7 minus the log of 2 times 3/7 is 6/7 base 8. Does that equal log of 4 base 8? We can write this as one log. We've got the same base, so we can use the property that says if we're subtracting one log from another, we can write that as one log if we divide this by this. So we'll have 24/7 divided by 6/7 base 8. Does that equal log of 4 base 8? And inside parentheses here, we need to invert the bottom fraction and multiply. So that will look like 24/7 times 7 over 6 base 8. And we can see that our 7's divide out, and 24 over 6 is 4. So we do end up with log of 4 base 8 equals the log of 4 base 8. So we got a true statement, and so we know x equals 3/7 is the solution. Remember the helpful hint when solving logarithmic equations. Try and use properties and rewrite the equation so that you've got one logarithmic expression on each side.